Scientists have discovered a type of wood that can stop a bullet. It outperforms other woods, as you can see in this ballistics test. It's lighter and stronger than steel, and it's gonna be available to the public this summer. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a totally new kind of material. Well, this poses the question, how is this even possible? How does wood get so strong? Well, there's a trick to it. So how do they turn a normal tree into superhero material? It starts with regular wood that gets boiled in a special blend of chemicals. This removes some of the lignin, which is like the natural glue in wood. Then they press the wood super hard with heat. This makes the wood's tiny cells flatten and pack together light. When this happens, new strong connections form between the wood fibers, making it super dense, about 5 times smaller than it used to be. And the amazing result? It's both strong and tough. Many materials are usually one or the other, but Superwood excels at both. This means it can absorb a lot of energy before breaking, making wood so tough that just 5 thin layers of this stuff can stop bullets. Yep, bulletproof wood. This changes everything we thought about building things safely and strongly. And we're just scratching the surface of Superwood. And the next benefit of this chemical process has something to do with this. It has a Class A fire rating, which means that it resists fire and even puts itself out. It can handle strong winds and heavy rains. It can also handle rot, won't get eaten by termites or other bugs like that. There's an even more rugged version called Mwood. This is superwood infused with polymers to make it extra resistant to water, fungi, and insects. Perfect for things like outdoor decking or marine applications where natural wood or even superwood might struggle. And here's the cool part, even with all these changes, it still looks and feels like real wood. When they press it, it naturally gets a beautiful, rich, dark color like fancy wood from tropical places. When they boil the wood, the special chemical solution isn't some super toxic brew. It uses chemicals that are common in the food industry. Even though it's stronger than steel, you can still shape, cut, and drill superwood like you would with your normal woodworking tools. You don't need any special heavy-duty equipment like you would with steel or other composites, making it much easier to work with. Plus, you can paint it or stain it any way you like. It keeps that natural, cozy feel, but with superpowers. And that's Denny, he's the best. Superpowers that not only help us humans, but it also helps the environment. Let me show you. All right, let's talk about the big picture. Making steel causes a lot of pollution, releasing tons of bad gases in the air. I know, who are we to talk, right? But listen here, Superwood actually does the opposite. We all know that trees soak up CO2, storing the gas inside the lumber forever. It's called carbon sequestering. And any buildings or structures that are built using Superwood will essentially be helping the planet. Superwood keeps that carbon trapped inside the building for its whole life, making the carbon footprint 90% less than steel. Really, all wood does this, but it's a huge win for the environment. The potential for this is massive. If widely adopted, it could sequester 2 gigatons of CO2 annually. I'm getting wet, let's go inside. And guess what? It costs less too. About half the price of steel or aluminum. Superwood isn't made from expensive trees either. Instead, it can be made from fast-growing species like aspen or pine, or even from scraps and stuff that nobody wants to use. This isn't just good for the planet, it's a no-brainer for the economy too. Superwood isn't just a cool idea from a small company, it has major support from big names in the U.S. government. Groups like the U.S. Department of Energy and the U.S. Department of Defense are putting money in the making and selling of Superwood. The company behind this endeavor, InventWood, has secured more than $50 million in capital from public and private sources, which has supported the construction of their 90,000 square foot production facility in Frederick, Maryland. So as you can tell, Superwood is set to revolutionize multiple industries. We're talking about strong beams for buildings, parts for cars, and even fancy furniture. The possibilities are huge. This isn't just a dream. The first products are coming out soon. Superwood will be available this summer 2025. So InventWood says that their interior products are going to launch first, followed by Superwood exteriors in the fall of this year. The initial production at the Frederick, Maryland facility that I talked about earlier will support up to 1 million square feet annually. Think about it. The oldest building material has been turned into something super modern and amazing. So what kind of world are we gonna build with wood like this? There really are no limits with what we could do with Superwood. But what do you think about Superwood? Would you want to live in a bulletproof wooden house? Let me know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Now, Superwood is incredible against rot and water, right? But what if you're just looking for the perfect regular wood to build your backyard fortress? You know, a deck that lasts forever or a fence that stands strong against every storm. Trust me, choosing the right lumber for your outdoor project is a secret weapon in itself. So don't waste your time and your money on wood that's gonna fall apart by next year. That's why in this video right here, we show you the best wood for your outdoor projects and tell you why it's not what you think it's gonna be. We'll see you there, brother and sister. Keep in mind, I am being safe. I am being 100% safe. Oh boy, you guys gotta hear this. These are my squeaky shoes. So squeaky.